Here's how to change call background on Samsung phone. To do this, open the Phone app on your device. Next, click on the three dots line. A few options will pop up. Tap on the Settings option. Again, a few options will appear. Look for the Call Background option and click on it. Now, at the bottom, tap on the background icon. Next, at the top right corner, click on the three dots line and tap on Create using Galaxy Avatar. Different options will appear. Click on your preferred one. Now, for the avatar, make the changes like hairstyle, face shape, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and all other remaining looks. Next, click on the style and choose your preferred dress codes with colors and patterns. Once you're okay with the changes, then tap on Save. After that, select the background for the avatar, and then click on Save. It will take a few seconds and the video will be saved. Now tap on the Set as Call Background. The call background will be changed. You can also use other backgrounds. Under the Featured section, select your preferred one. Otherwise, go back to the previous page, click on the Gallery section. It will redirect to the Gallery app, select the photos, and select it on your choice. You can see the preview. From now on, when you get a call, you can see the updated background, and that's it.